I'm gonna tell you about the atmosphere, the atmosphere. Yeah, yeah, I said the atmosphere. Let's get right into it. Yeah. Hey there kids, I'm gonna tell you about the atmosphere, and that it has some other parts that, and it's for the troposphere, the stratosphere, and the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and ionosphere, and the exosphere. But don't forget about the magnetosphere. But that is not all the parts of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of 78% of something called nitrogen, but that is not all. There's 21% of oxygen, the air that we breathe to survive and live. 0.9% is made up of argon, and then there is 0.2% of carbon dioxide. Now that you know the parts of the atmosphere, it's time you learn more about them. The troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere, and that is where we live, because the weather changes every single day and we can't control it. Every single day and we can't control it. I said every single day and we can't control it. Every single day and we can't control it. The second layer of the atmosphere is the stratosphere, which is the part of the atmosphere that gets very little change in the weather, different from the thermosphere. The altitude in these layers are very low, because all the layers are only the first two. The atmosphere gets higher when the layers are bigger, which means that in this case the altitude is low. I'm gonna tell you more about the atmosphere, the atmosphere. Yeah, yeah, I said the atmosphere, so let's get right into it. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna tell you more about the atmosphere. Yeah, the atmosphere. Yeah, yeah, I said the atmosphere, so let's get right into it. Yeah. The third layer of the atmosphere is the mesosphere, which is the very cold part of the atmosphere because it goes down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And the fourth layer is the thermosphere, the fifth layer of the atmosphere, the exosphere, which is the outermost layer. Now you know the parts of the atmosphere, and that you know more about them than you ever did. We are almost getting to the last verse, which means that the song is almost over. Let's finish this up, I said, let's finish this up. Let's finish this up, and let's finish this up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and that was all the parts of the atmosphere. Thank you guys for listening and watching. Thank you, Mr. Odell, for this project. And that was the atmosphere song by Jerry Relax. 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 That was the atmosphere song by Jerry Relax.